we are told the edifice is insured. But individuals say, oh, bet my car, as you say, we move 150 shops now. I mean, just say, move 5 for cry, insurance on their own. Now it brings to bear Ghanaians and insurance. How many of us, and I fear cry, yes, we have spent millions, billions of cedis a cedi, and so do we have insurance? Yenya cry abrabo. Do we have life insurance for ourselves? It brings to bear this issue. And I'll pay a page of 4 more. Yo, Canada compre kwa Japan. Echo court. Na omuko pie court no dia sem NP ho. A George Penia or Tia Gemuno. Na sama all can say. Ushemu pa dia. Na anas. Arimiya anas. E kwanya ofasu dini jumano. Ene senior sekere Japan cassette ano wakoyi ni video bi amana ni mapia bonten ni ade no enye kwampa so no ama last de o say atemu na George ni buye no a travesty of justice na say yebu ntanchia abuka ne ti amwa na ano abukere de Japan. Can we have the video when they were interviewed on insentrefo edin komo ne semo no sudu tu dwa and I'm looking Japan. And opano, Cassiano, Omo beto yanim. So can we have that video quickly? Na yenti in sama okay after the judgment from the judge. Odibetu just say Anas is an investigative terrorist. Yes, and I know you. Hey, Obi investigative terrorist. Hey, as I don't know anything. Investigative terrorists. You know.
That 3 people covered their face and he didn't even know who was Anas. And still convicted his colleagues, judges. Unfortunately, he's dead. He should have seen today's judgment for him to clear his conscience. But I'm not going to talk too much. All I'll say is the victory is especially for Boakye and the gentleman here. What they have gone through announces humiliation in this country. Nobody, no citizen of this country should go through like that. I tell you today, the 50,000, I don't need it. I give it to him, but he should live with his conscience.
All right. It was 50,000 or no here. Now you trouble no. Anas no on fat. Name on victory way there or the Amako Sinyantechi. And the papa back on the chain. And him guasia any atete pa Ghana for the my fem. And I judge who can ruling now, but so to say it's a victory for Sinyantechi. Say kwaya mo fast war a pamon free Ghana Football Association. A kwaya mo fast war egu nanimu ase poto ema ekoba se Sinyantechi de woye konfo tachi amoakese a Ghana ye hu bi da no a George fo a omo ye na ye rakere Japan kasa no se di krom Supreme Court judge back wo be wo ode ne twenkomo o se wo trans busa no se eti de pa no ye nti wo tra dwemma obi be kata nanim be gina ho se yese investigative journalist ti enkata nanim se nipa no ogira ho no ya na asa na lawyer bi kwa na ekasa ma omo sa ne ma ni nyina na court ayi afiri ho enti wokọ so kwa akogi adanse ama obi ontimi nkata nanim bi ansama asa be piem ba akokra ne se sia no Ghana ha ontumi ne me nkose tokrom na onka nkyere me se wa record me na dey court na aye admissible in court. It's not going to work again. Esan say, and Commander Nanimidi, no, there was a judgment like that was Sunyai. Papa bi kunto kwa asase ho. No fa fun friend no. Omo obi friend no and sema papa ni kan ye nyina no de akogina court to say. We kura di adanse e na court bu say ansepani. Ye no onu udi nkomo no na ya we o se da bi. Say it cannot be admissible in court. Ye to me fa we me gina di adanse. Ye decide mo di nipa num bi secret recording and I want to me record me secretly now me gina so me ka say why they would the sad any be jinaso. And unti and I ambush litigation cry a jai. I was caught. Sena judge a lawyer be aqua court secretly no aqua information be no the tiano. And Ghana mremuno nyejuma. You have to serve whoever you are suing. No, first ex parte. Now wow, 2 minutes no aqua ex parte. No aqua injunction about 2 baby so you serve the person. No so aqua him no the niya no aba whether written or verbal. And Sani atnaso. It's in the court no person say. Sa George for bebre omo huna mane. Any nipa bi egu o mani mu ase. Secret recording near de no. Oba record me secret. Say if I am able to prove say I did not give my consent to what you did, it will not fly in court. And I think say it is time we bring sanity to the things we do here. Mamini Dio3 Peter there, PR Ghana Fire Service. Near the train come out. Dio3 me machi o.
Me just doing your man here.
Now bomb to say.
Radio do me hoye mpa.
Ya do ba dia say. Enra we ye ne kese ato yen. Ye nyina enkoye ma yen sa. Na mo koye no de na mo ko hunu ye na de na aka kire kumaseman.
Me da say for opportunity na mentia wetie for. Menra be 4:30 nya na say jato. Kijitia. Inya tie say kijitia jato. Kijitia nti ye wo fa puswa nti tempane o say dispatch o ni dispatch ye nda na wo Metro Fire Station KM in Hono my mom no metro na eja no jakesi ntina was a mobilize tenders in be count in tempana ye de 5 more tenders e be count ma tenders near 6 and the 10 table ladder actually kesi near the coastal effective rescue edunja na so e be count ho e ma near 7 na ye ye edunja na bridge na se be 5:16 Emma na pockets of fire by 7:30 day na edunja ni ya kra maybe number 33 shops me jana ka 33 shops this is jurbe been so partially bent first floor extension the DSC on a first floor extension hona jana kind 33 shops affected
DO3 you can confirm say 150 as it is being alleged.
But I 150.
It's 150 in fact, no me pancho muko mupano extension hono ye yantie say general west bit say car bad nomne solution sene ye ne kano ina balance no any tin no mo de yes ampa boane ade no no cresa.
In fact, Sompa started with Monohona on Sunday, and no other and cosmetic shops being so and petrol-based products be and so tap and time on the Keka home and so it be a Boama Jano per day in term. Those are some of the things are moton, but other general ways and so or moton are affected by the fire.
Now, me pacho munya easy access. Emma mutimu ye mo juma said yes say ana there were impediments.
Yeah, but when it is na KGT ane edum environs in the no streets no more activities or vehicles and so movement and the keka yeah but no some difficulty in coming to the place but in all it me by around it me access say floor home so it me edum jano we had some few obstructions here and there but we were able to overcome those Juma.
It was been alleged say mo delay kakra no kra.
Delay we didn't delay. Make me say response no but for your intervention no a lot of damage would have been recorded. And the response is very swift. So delay the time I received a call on the time they do and I'm not sure say we were very swift.
Okay. That plan ben expecting more report because Nipadodo na perceive who the extent of damage, the cost involved, and other things. The initial report na him dabe.
nhwehwɛmu ya sɛ nhwehwɛmu ase a ye mu tek di ejano eba ya no pay the honorable regional minister on baha on fire company baha abehwe the cost no ne extent of damage reports no ye ready as soon as possible ye ho adwuma na the amount the appropriate quarters the deal was said the could be near the beach.
Sompa 93.1.
Okay. DO3 Peter there. Medo asianope. Okay. I want on some permitted you number call my bigger form and penny for ya wada ya trase. We are live our hot digital radio our UK. Obey to me a fire hot. Join us on Facebook also and please share your comments. Mami enya deal way quickly now minimum bigger for chassis. And I know man penny confer some honest on some people. It is Parliamentary Select Committee ranking member Kwabena Mita Kandona ne nia bre say omon deserve say a bob binuma basoni ade. Pacho tie me. Se COVID e bae no. Oban ni pa bia na omo ye wabusuafo a na omo ye involved in the fight against COVID onkasa. There's one woman no pay omampani born abaswa oye mesofo lady pastor MFA adeho owo sa bia na no me fe no KTCCR me boa KTCCR ewo tech Mrs. Eshan Nikroni Reverend Benaventure Eshan your Reverend Minister Bako Masori Mami ahomache otimi 4 days Mr. Boakye 4 days no more than lap because it was so much swift response to mojana yakwe no say COVID wom na immediately almost prescribing the kind of antibiotics it was say a demand patient and COVID is say be na share amanfo ebia nya no or da honomo yeso ntumi nhome no every blessed day and they were so much exposed to moja no say omo aso betima nya bi pa cha omo fa the picture nto so na anya hwekra no if I can't celebrate anybody Mrs. Lady Pastor MFA Ishan I celebrate you Oko Menchia Hospital lab department one money ade nyina or penny wo ha or company for one or my lady pastor I salute you on behalf of Reverend Prophet Edward Menu, your husband Reverend Benaventure Sean and all the rest of the church Revival Life Outreach Church headed by our general overseer Reverend Sean Ekwa Sean ye kase nyame nhyiraw se Ghana nyina Omanhene Kai will say contribution to the fight against COVID. Nyame nhyiraw pa. You've made us so proud. Sana Ghana foa omampani bo mabaswa danu nyina. Whether say zikasem fa wonsem o say you saved life. It is hard time we take away the political lens. Me tell you say Fui Chikata or rejected one year award no. One person Marietta Brew or no so or rejected award no. Nyame nhyira wo mu a choice. But the friend no so o meji award. Kojo pon kroma yesi ono reporter ba say utia ne ho ka 151,000 Ghana cedis 1.3 enti no mutena fie no utia o mo kanti no wadi dwiri muteni so mampelima na award kojo pon kroma anopa wi anwumre press conference of press conference director general of Ghana Health Service press conference kwakwaje ma manu covid kuno ne niam bi obeye bi anye but they saved this nation. Now, my penny bomb, Abaswa, political lens in tea, Quatramin Takanda said, Omon Fata. Frontiers, a woman say, Musica, na emu na ho ye nyina ye kan bi say omuntumi me sete abayi wo kotokan konya 100 and something million dollars na aban nya 11 million ye nyina kasa asa ntwa yi but adie no omu de besi ho machine so omu de besi ho no so e ma omu fra bro kire ba ma mfa covid amesaye ya bra o memu ha ne bibia ye bia ye de amanyosem enti ye nya award ni from say kokoje Reverend Minister, Lady Pastor, my family be shebi, we cry be the baby twa picture. Now be je twa picture. O man penny abo abaso. Ghana. Ye di o man penny ye interview ke cry dey try say. Na national, the whole nation. Ya bold din say COVID o bo homodin. Nipa bebre na ye. Nti se you say, obi ti say CEO of multimedia. Almost all the nasu no. The way o see the boy COVID no. Ye mu say kakra wo ha. Yesu ye bi pa. Akuma si ha say. Em so ma marriage nkom be hu say me kra am say award nkom so nkom ma bi. Ko COVID me saboaje me boy juma pa.
You be kai president.
Me boy juma pa. Na ka ya fra your truly Omanhene so meja award akwa bi ta say me fata. What are you doing? What are you saying? Congratulations, Lady Pastor Mefa Adeho. I salute you. Dimpa for atrase. Na doctor I want to say. Bibia kama. The way we see fa ho kra ba studio ma hu say wo ye obi a wo ye papa all dress pa dress yam fe.
Bibia me ba no so ka ho.
Ha no so ka ho. So me am tia na me akra me nya easy sa. Doc. Yeah. Yam share Dimpa natural health. Also no. It's in the tech. Mami you.
Eba Dimpa anytime be I be Dimpa din bia no. Let's just say kasa e dia fast stomach ulcer.
That's right.
And unti eno na ye de asi ani so. Ye be say ye botaye for this year and say ye be ma ewi ase nyina ate enka say so obi was stomach ulcer ha na adwen a ye oba bi pa obetumi de akọ na e de asomdwe e be brewo. No custom say ya di hu juma for the past 3 years. Na ye general ye hwe bibia but ye hu say ye modern no a wo stomach ulcer madanse a eba nyina no from 2018 to 2020 na ese stomach ulcer no adanse na wo soro. That is why Dimpa for decided say ye be concentrate on stomach ulcer treatment. And in 2022 and ye benya award as the best center for the treatment of stomach ulcer cases. Na enye kwa efri se ye wo nimdia ye de ho adwuma. And ye wo experience. Meaning say menua obegia to mu say there is a difference between knowledge and experience.
That's right.
Wo mu say me papa apostle kada bia say nimdia wo de ye adwuma na kire nyansa. Dem wo de ye adwuma no na experience no so ba. I don't hear what any public brea. If you cry a pushias or me makwa no money memra, no more media dance. Just last Tuesday, there's one brother or say wakwaya test endoscopy, almost BBN was also acquire test for H. pylori, almost BBN. But or that's what symptoms now, me bobo so down. And or bad Tuesday no. Ye check in na ye machine detect say ulcer ho na sie na sie ye we be a ye ka say chronic non complicated gastric ulcer e chere say e wo ho na en hardware wo ye furu no direct
woman na ade odwe ba ko
did ye won pa
no ade odwe
no asa akotete but no na be ma problems wo other places and the start here identify video mbo ani padua na ma na dro of frame no anopa yara no pa bia no nyese baba ha me frɛ omo ba day before me frɛ no no say na bia wada no ade echi Wednesday na bia wada no ebisi e wo no kra wo na asada na reason ne ye ensesaye bia ye last week me de no bi ba me kire mu say
that's right
so wo hwe stomach ulcer I say wutumi tackle ya funu no mu I say wutumi tackle blood circulation se moja flow ye nkotire mu a wuntumi na utiba ya wo ya wani so bebrew utiri mu kra betimi ahihyew I don't see yes an e ma no e den se obi beba enche na o se na awotwe sela wontumi nai dimpa for ye botaye ne se ye be mani party ase se stomach ulcer yetumi ye ho adwuma ma efiri ho na no kwasem ne se ye ho adwuma pa nso so emfa ho se odie no ama obo na ye wo ya ana wo yam ne tutu ana odie no wonte hwe wo yam nipa no bebre ana o confused because ne yam no nya ne ya na emom ne bo ha ba bi ye ne ya na chi obi di ama ne ti na ya ne ti nko a watwa CT scan almost problem ni ho MRI is a problem ni ho a said there is poor blood circulation and yet damage na emom adwene no nerves no elaki bibi anunti na niti no ye ne ya to wo di afidie kohwemu a bibi an damage Bradimpa Natural Health Clinic ye wo Kumasi di Chemso ugina airport runabout a obefa menhia kwan no so na wabusa old health insurance building na ye wo mu no ya tworo so Willas Towers no kwasem ne se wuduru ho no mo a ye be mo ahu se ye wo mfidie de ye adwuma ye wo de ye de bo nipadua na ye wo nupa maka se stomach ulcer ne hwemu no esese wo hu nimde ye toso mienu esa wo de mfidie ye nhwehwemu ye toso mi esa wonya nupa ebetumi aye enoma stomach ulcer no akreti nyina enti se nansenso are ba ko a ebaye enkwada omonya stomach ulcer very interesting serious the entire tesa no enye sade yesu sane ya maame no ka me yete se o unidia na onya ulcer no ya beti ase se research amaye hunu se H pylori a bacteria no na cause 80% of ulcer cases and it is akwara 3 years kwa na bacteria ni bi kwa na yemu a
obetimenya bi
ebeba now eno a esi no nti akwara 7 years 9 years no ahia ase complaining ni yam ene ni ti na chese ulcer no ahia ase a develop aya ha adwene eno nti manka se me yamu nya me ya anasa manka se me de me gye me ho achi me ko me define o me de da bia me di kama enti no me ntumi nya ulcer anya sa na te enti tie bia de ma ya na anya no kre eno nti yante ya ho asesa eno pa ho a ye wo enipa no bi ho no mo a ne de ne se de ha no aye ontumi na stomach ulcer no ebetumi ama untumi na ana woda ebo 2 o'clock na wani ti a asem aba obeda ho akopem se bo be 4:30 kobo 5 ansa na ena no atumi ayese peke satam so na yesa wo sorry na okwa adwuma ye obi o ha ne de no ama ni ti ese bibi ni namu ade bi ni nam tire no mu ese on sadante ase eno na ye ka se inexplicable headaches uti no de ya wono wo kire mu kire obi a wote wo nkyan a ohunu de wo pa kire but wo a wo de wo hunu utimu se wo problem most of the time nipa no a o problem no ebi kra no a wa try eniema bebre wo koha wo fa ha in fact and then me person nipa do no ate ase ne se wa ye test bebre na almost omuhunu ade kro no
wo de bra
dimpa so ye se why test ahodo bebre na omuhunu ade kora eno na kire se very likely se de dimpa ka ho asem no ebetumi aba se stomach ulcer oba na ye check na ente sa ade kro bia nso a ema enipa no ntumi na nitie ne ya na ni subri no in fact se wa anya ho adwuma ntem a ebedu ba bi no bo se empanimfo no bi opia bonte no obi anka no ho a no ayera because memory no are affected eluja busuafo no kwasam ne se dimpa for ya base ye betumi aboa ama stomach ulcer no yetu ase ye wokumase di Chemso se ebasa wo wa chirichiri na wuntumi ma kumase di Chemso a ofre ya ne a ye betumi ede package abroad but say wo na wo yare no untumi ma ye nya abotre etie o sare o sentence ne tie because obi a ne de ye no obi de emma sabe ne yam tim obi nso de timi ma ne yam hwe
okay
eno nti ya ntie won nsam no a obi de ma ne tie ne ya obi so de ne tin ha no obi de otumi da obi de ontumi na obi de ama asa wiase nyina eso no because ni bi ba bia ya ne ya as so ko hospital yes oni problem o de hwehwe ye kira kwan wo di chem so yes oba na wo ben clinics bi ben ye a nipa no bi taayira kodi ho di chem so nye nko ane ho nti wo ben hwe number no ye nti na mani wo number no so pa 0245 11
84
34
0245 11 84 34
and 0246 744
744
744 0246 744
744
and fa ne said ye ubia ye be ma ate ase within 1 week and say be ba no ye din no a ye dimpa no ani ho kwa dimpa eye ne ahonya animunyam eye ne sika ne dwete Proverbs chapter 22 verse 1 and kasa asem no na dimpafo ye de ye adwuma ya meka twato Omanhene na mako se obi ba dimpa so ya ye hye wo bo se ye ma wo mmoka entungu eka bi a webo bia wo behu se sika na utua na so abamfaso e de ama ya me hira wo bia dimpa ye sene ahonya
pacho udin no
me din de Alexander Asante
Badudo na afro.
Badudo na afro me dimpa. Me classmate ngina dimpa no na wo ka.
Na no ano so no ye de be frɛ wa.
That's right. No frɛ number no a bibia be.
Mami bo number ne bio 0245 118 434 0245 118 434 0246 744 744. I mean count ho. For ni kire dimpa National Health. Do mo mo second Wallace honoma de chamso kane menhia health insurance ase honomo ukwa mo honomo famfidie no fefam na Zambia mampani say o ka kire na pamfo nyina se free no kromi hwe no obia mfaka se o de V8 ni nam krom se o pese o da V8 mu a wa to wa de na to fuel your friend no Hakande Hichilema Ose Oheno hu empanimfo ebia senya taxpayers money anka wontumi nto ebia ayi SUV ketewa bi kra enso obenya pani di ya obeti anaso ye omakoto V8 amano ose free na kromi effective enra omuma amra no to ho no oye pani se wo ye leader ana oye minister abayin ntimi mouse a V8 no it is a wo fi say waso so the V8 mu a yese waso aware ya no atopretty wa to V8 na say fuel because also onim bebre a say enye abayin ena be position abenya enka otumi to saka no they only live luxuriously because of the taxpayer. And that thing should stop. Yeah, heard you be free moaba. Mr. Eric Aboakye. Now pom to say, Papa.
Nyamia dauma.
The Biaboko.
Biaboko.
Okay. Yeah. Apostle Paul Kofi Ajekum. Papa pom to say.
Yamedu.
Biaboko.
Yamedu.
Okay. Me wa Mr. Obri Aboa. Now pom to say. Okay. Oh yeah. Chartered banker and Osaya chartered economist. And ono aso yenti Zambia president no me producer I in the voice wa ha mama ntie ni kakra obi go pen ho asem keka se ka akumyete ni kwakwanum afi mi papa pen Ebenezer Prophet One says, I mean, you know. But I say
5,000 liter solar system, every market, anywhere in the country. Because the solar works everywhere. Where there's power, you put power. And you tell me that you are the city fathers and mothers, but there's no toilet at the market. If all you need is to put that ball plus a soakaway septic tank, what does that cost? All of that under 50,000 kwacha. Why are you using money to buy a VX for the mayor? That VX for the mayor can put toilets in all the markets in your constituents. Think along those lines. The mayor can still drive a nice car, but it doesn't have to be a VX. If you want to drive a VX, buy your own. Buy your own. Why do you want to pretend? You know that you cannot afford a VX. Why do you want to pretend? Because you are using taxpayers' money. Now you should pretend. But a decent Hilux double cab aircon, it's a fantastic vehicle. Why you want a VX? Why you want a car costing $200,000? When that $200,000 you can put toilets in all the markets in that constituency. Town clerk wants a VX, mayor wants a VX, deputy mayor wants a VX. Whose money are you using? In that state house, I have not bought any new car. I refused. After the 16th of August last year, the system came to me and said, Mr. President, can you sign here? Before the 24th, I'm not sworn in. I said, ni sign every paper, I'm not yet sworn in here. Sign here. $1.8 million. That near Chandalama, we ordered new vehicles. Your colleague ordered new vehicles. So now you sign because you need new vehicles. I said, why? $1.8 million for the president's vehicles? Are there no vehicles in status? They are there. Are they not moving? They are moving. Are there no wheels? They have wheels. I said, I will use those. Cancel that tender. It's cancelled. I have not bought any new vehicle because I'm conscious this is not my money. Anyway.
Hichilema. Papa. We can say mama.
Na see it in da.
But we were there.
Oh.
Papa I had there. $1.8 million. How they got a vehicle. Who they call Ugandan kwacha or say $200,000 now is about 50,000 kwacha. It mean SC toilets our constituency honina. But mayor per V8, deputy mayor per V8. I don't know me could tear accountant, controller accountant general for say. Woman who didn't tear or moon penny for a more V8. Now, I'm cast at the Mawamuna, Spider, any Hilux. Hilux no cry the attitude. Because almost so physical control I can't touch it on the good person. It's the other Tina, Ubeko other ministry chief directors, and a V8 almost them. Now, Kobase, controller accountant general, deputy controller, will be a Camry. To movies almost so deserve Anya Prado. You see how luxurious we want to live. So my conference, the opportunity to do almost say abandon son immediately. Penny cry no castle a brand new. Almost turn tear rubber, almost almost just and fatal moon penny for. One no cancer so no bicycle could be a nibio. To walk a and penny, say if you show any more, say a day almost say and fatal moon penny for. Or Kaswa or moi, because over corner accountant be all Ministry of Finance. The land cruiser or them. Adea Akye a penny a finance minister a many saw ye. Many a sob a pim there. Or you su cantata. Cantata, no grass and a crocodile the jaw. Cantata no diako Juma Besine. Unho for ya tasso da land cruiser. You know, Kashi. Baby, so we are there.
Oh, we were. Now they are working. What do you say, Yenus?
I would we more go just teaser.
uka u tie me me see etene da Kwame Nkrumah de by one man one house don't broadcast you see zinc of fie ni wenum nyina wokan e wo Ghana ku bia bia yeti committee of inquiry access committees aging for niema for ni se unim middle of access enti papa idia wokan waka de nanso yatene da wo Ghana e wo Africa nso de be repeat so
na lip service
I don't want to use that word. But okay sa crew no wom leaders the bia mu try say wom lead the exemplary life
Chiluba
good Kaunda
they live simple lifestyle yeah
and they bia na almost no
yeah
oh
and I think say ampa what you imagine so they want to live modestly and eboa papa I was sad when the German ambassador told us your expenditure so now the German government machinery sika almost spending on our government enru yedie omudie ni nru yedie. That was a sad comment to come. Yes, let's say who China no mwaye na yesika no fan chain e be leverage other countries amom so dia che or say ye koka de na mom kote o expenditure so now expenditure no so say German government no with all the German nyina no almost sika omutwa ema government no say omo dey run no wo de so chen ye de how
me pa che I don't speak of one some
oh met you
the bia IMF baby no solution is reduce your expenditure stop frivolous expenditure and then you'll be okay 18 times 17 times Wama catch that is why so many abandoned government projects baby the governor there 44 years and yes as a result of IMF recommendations so many places hospitals here as kata baby will be as also hospital so doctor antimu nyina no e fa bia.
So we don't set our priorities right, Anna.
Well,
and our pressure from the people say, any DNA mass deal.
The Biamika say, yet in but our inability to adhere strictly to.
Dear Tina, any inability, no, Papa.
Yeah, meet me at was like.
Yeah, me too.
Only Pakrono be head of state in why any manifesto first, why the budget second, name him for. Yashe batakari
friend to
ma ni akono ho o ekono ho a ya kwanye ye we nye yi ohun wo monimpe we frase e promise o promise ade a ontimi nye ade a ontimi mfa 2 years na ho no a promise nti afi bia na de sempo akọ afi bia no teku kọ ho we so we akọ akonya ka akwan no no we nso aba ono so bepe health center so meanwhile ye utterances from our MPs a deterrent to us as taxpayers the bia ye badoma scan wo modio na wo mitua tax no be dia mitua. Is it wrong say as tax enforcement we taxpayer na di obi ba wo store mu say o mehwe say wutua tax ya is it wrong? Almost sick, but you who be able to jump on to him say, you store no. Meanwhile, Ope Kakwaya Kofi. Meanwhile, Ope say, we are there with your doctor Beshaw. Tax no, Yajia to over the years, yeah, forced to say, Ubitian and say, every say Ubitiano. Unbakud Ruha, what to demonstration, yeah, Mobia Metadi. Oh, just because say, Ubi Abekatcher will say, Abani Discano. Oh, Ubia opposition. Nempa ya ni bibio ya ne say abane beti ahwe on contribute to anything. Meanwhile, moko kan say abane diska Ghana ya boka yintimi ntua ye debt ade chia we say ekwan we nye. Wo so waje atum say abane niska abane niska wo. At the same time no so no ekwan we nye workers nyina atifie adenti na office of the president tembia offer nipa 1900 we meanwhile one so say unemployment ebu ye ko point judges hey see niska and also appoint judges meanwhile no be general bi wo buy on fair nipa I mean where are we drifting and I make I want to say
no, I'm getting you.
yes mo de bia sensa ye ko tetenumpo de me fenka ho Fourth Republic o aban bi o wo so bi e diska mo so obi an so ba utumi nchire obi a ni akan ya to agum sa prekesen na manfo nyina gye adi na we osika o mu gye o mu kodi o hwe property na make kuma se ha property rate arrears e wa ha I was thinking etua ne generally yetua kuma se nye sei da obehwe no ontua onba ko receipt ko de ko gye no e fictitious yes ye the tin yes ye the digitization yes ye ni nyina so enkosi hu adan ne sisi ho ekwa nkofo kro mo fa so esisi adan no so mu tua proper taxes sika mu nya ye de kosi dan no kra no ye misa ukobisa ye ntoma enti ye betimi atra ha amade achi aka nsem nyina kejetie yi ye wo station ba kun edwomu hia de baby ye be hye bia e ka bad ho ye move by new market ye de ka bad no asa ba ho
amejana koshi
enti we de ho de am de si ho because e ho si asem nyina ba
ready ho komo
ye tete no ye wo ajosuo we no kra no omo ema so no omo aye no eniema commodity ene omo de aye nso ko wuram hwe
atuofra
the Oman yeti.
My memory, a quick one on the Zambian president, Inafe. I share and some of it share the ruling of the courts with respect to Adea Akye Anas Neke Japan, the Nafe, other matters, so you share no so.
You in a popro and obey Meduas and endurance so kanjin. Mehuni says, why you should swam at the pa. Meyiraji Kandin na tumpa.
Oh, okay.
Good.
Yeah, and no by demonstration. Okay.
Mehuni sa adie bi ambo hu de rubia no nye niema ye fun sa.
That's right.
Enti adie ba ko sesi ebo Sompa fo abaso. Na brochirefo no ono mo ba kanjin wa ha. Momo nsesa nsuo no mfiri. London, America no mba. Supapa e wa ha. Wo mfesika no mra no mbetu bi wo krai mu. Near Papay ye Zambian president Adea Bay. The Edika no SSE Kwambiso ye bo na baso. Mr. Boakye Kasan was say or steadier woman penny for be do any man or live modest life. And to some extent almost deserve to see a bo ma baso.
That's right.
Ye she sanche so. Say, as I say, Yempenning for a yakwanya begin. Sissa woman Jenny. No, when your mind hot door. So, if you say, so we hear a woman crammer. We're almost 20 years in it. The role of the righteous in nation building, chapter 5, Mature hindrances to Africans' development. Close to 20 years, Mesa Transis are here Mubiono. Problems are Mijina so the train and sign if you have account. We are not making progress.
Yeah.
So, ain't you, Papa Casse, a year, yatin da udika.
Yeah.
Oh, and nunchina, baby, a year druno, as a say young Cassa, ye true money see a nimni bisa say one of the fatter say, ye momudi and imbue. Nipa ben no betima me nya adwensa ya se suban na oman ya tia sese ne e wani sese bebe wi ase do no bi me obi man no America be Ghana Britain be Ghana yen Ghana sese ye Ghana
Even after COVID,
so
you should tell us now you have to do things yourself.
na fe ye wi say enipa nkasa send ye sitie no se uka se uja ese ye ne amfi adwen enwene ne ese se adwen ne nya de pa 20% na be eniti no nyame bo di pekuo bi said there should be leadership eniti na when it comes to leadership there shouldn't be vacuum eniti na metabo amoyefo chi no fi se embanyi se ye keka funu a ye kama damban Wobi kwa adwumam ete ho se ope V8 one sese etime man hyehyɛ pa no reinforce bibi na sesai ba wan ya politician me so for me team me dia me jurisdiction ya sorry. I will make sure say people are doing the right thing as Christians within that small churches that is under my jurisdiction. What about Omanhene? Me need to me sir. Oh, enti ye besre baby aduro no eya ginsemo yesre nananom himfo kanenu ana amrado fo mai retumi ne himfo nsam na hye o ye kwaje fa hodie yete ye ho ase ne yetutu ye ne meyi anka himfo yi osanka tumi ne ye koso ama wo wonsam ne ye hunu se ne besia blend with amrado that western system of Adea no and ye hunu yo ye dimirika sa da bia meka me se ye fa hodie ne mirikatuo no doso edoso etinki ya tuya boase pa nanka fa hudie no kura ya giwie ye no ka sovereignty no kiema no wo ho de ni aburofo yin kone sa da gidi and African is capable of one brofo akese capable yi baby e dia beduro and yentimi capable
ye the brofo kese na start ye fa hudie at long last Ghana
the battle
your beloved country is free forever. But Kwame Nkrumah de ba kwa wanye hu ade ye me ya eye ne brofo kato ho. Also we need to change our minds, we need to change our attitudes. Wanye hu adwuma.
So enti
se Kwame Nkrumah ma ye our orientation about our minds and attitudes towards the foreign and western lifestyle ne Adea Akye
yentu mfaso bono Nkrumah afri se won mo abai ni sojafo e ba ye ne we fan say
civilian rule ne Adea
abai ensama wonum nyina ka no mudi hin na dodo no ye ho adwuma na nado bai wono no dia asese watisu ye say obofo ne ne nam ho apaso won ye say watiso wo say African beyond 8 na brofo na de papa edo do ba brofo hwe ne sa na bi ni madwena na wa brofo ne tirim ebra no wokasa asa ene yakowie a wo ko cheopa so aye ka kire wo say woni wa pamfo a mubu man no sika ekọ mbotom no so nti mun kwatete so enya niu enya fere enti yesre obie wona fam de ye nemo ni titiru enananom himfo mi hunu wo man a ya hyehye mra na obi di nsem hunu na mra ni dia wo himu wo hipopro sa man hini sa dihye fra chachawo efrantuma kopa chewo de bedi akoyanim ebeden yetimi akoyanim enti me de mesre oman no de wani Omaya yebo hu bradidi hu de agyankoda no mom yenhwe yie ni enso nyame kakra
obesia mesramo a yenyina Yesu no ne yedidi ne ho ntimu nsusu babi kom so bri ebo a
meti kura na be wira kura ho Yesu de wo de yedidi
ho kakra ntimu nsusu so bri ebo ma meti o kakra on Zambia na president na fe yentinsim na ensama betodwa na mema beja 42 na basa de srewiti
o Omanhene dedika mehia na madawase wakonya odi amaye.
That's right.
I mean kase se wo hwe o my Ghana ye won pempen so ayi wumi because of a failed leadership. Na me bra panyini kasa no wa cite example about omo character. Adea na ye as a oman. Mpempi ya metamiki submissions. There's a difference between a politician and a leader. Unfortunately, ye krono ya kanimi no ma eden abom. And say ye ntimi anyense saye anase nsakraye e wo saa de manimu a ebeto aso a edie.
And in your estimation, why any politician and why any leader?
All right. A politician or politicians are people who are relationship focused. Say me petumi e de free ho a hwekwa wo ne ye come say delegate bibia no maintain them. It doesn't matter what it takes. Maintain woman, whatever their motive, they focus on how they can use the relationship to navigate their career, secure resources for their teams and get promoted. Into woman adiana womu yeni nyina no, wo focus on that aspect. Said the beya onubenya promotion. TMF members of parliament enye mfato ho onim say every 4 years obeba form abe seek for political power enti within the party no omo to abama ninya de
core members
no
timi krasika gu ho
yes otimi hu say enipa 100 na ekoto aba no ma me maintain 70 yire so an bi di mi hwam kora na menya 55
it's your mama fees
no I den
to build a relationship.
That's all. But we say leaders in contest have a vision. Omu we nisuadi hunu. And omu vision no it focus on getting, there is a term called utilitarian. A policy or ya na dwinimu no onya mfama na ho or the ya mana boa the mass populate. Example be amedebema free SHS.
That's right.
Nanado anhwe ne ho so national health insurance former president Kofo de e ka ono nko a oyare ana nko betima akwa abrochire akosa ne ho yade but those were their areas but uba the broader picture in terms of national governance na over 80% of enkofo editumi ama wo mu no they focus on the relationship just to get their personal gains and edi enya every emra ye pefa ahudie ebesi eneso. I was reading an article, and last Saturday I made that statement. In 1983, net Dubai et se chiriponi. I am using chiriponi advisably because now no yo mokon ya me hwe TV. Desert ya me ko UK ye twa de chire me Dubai. The same thing na chiriponi tie. 83. Na ye desert ni pentimi nsi ho. He has taken one man. Sa ni pana wo no so no. Omu ni hwi Dubai don't have anything no. Ghana was say and Dubai nina no kasa asem no answer na beba Ghana he cited an example was say Nigeria discovered oil way ahead before answer na Dubai ebenya bie Nigeria will gold or diamond or bauxite or timber or kaka ho say even baby o magu asphalt say ututu asphalt na de banche na ba odi esi ho a
o ka Ghana na Nigeria
me wi na mabelenke ni to Ghana udi si ho a within 6 months, a Bema resource. But the only thing Nigeria for any leadership. And the only thing on my Dubai, any of my akwomanim ewo a leadership. Narrowed it to Ghana. You were all the resources. On my in 2005 there about Ghana nearby discover oil. Na Ghana for nyina say once or mine discover oil no. Ghana how to etcha. Is it 20 years or 18 years after oil discovery? Yeah, worse off. So I like the submission na Omanhene Yaw den enya no. And until say your educational curriculum that be ameka yamfa ethical education emeshim. And when I say ethical education, I believe that emfa honi abro say me see one day me waja. The only thing I want to make is to impact positively. So that one day, say your friend say the wadam for Charles Kojo Fosu, and man be soon I then your leaders don't think that like that. And to end my submission, so here, yen we am no ko school. Na ye ni ewie na ye se be kwa akwa ye adwuma won kwanchen. Bra ye bre na hwe wo mom kodi political parties echi eya wo ma ya I may have all the experience all the God-given knowledge but because some man society me ho with either MPP or NDC enti na me say metna magazine me bodwa makwa akope bank adwuma bi no you struggle and ne inse say ye ko school a ye ko sua nimde say ye kwa aba ye adwuma no ye kwa ne akodwo ne Tescom 10. Uye deda no abayaba power na nya appointment within 6 months for life assistance. That is the level we are moving into. Into youth or even of today. Ye mini ye can say see a baby papa be bad. My main join a political party. Me ye dede na ye man appointment work experience ben wo. Only any corporate experience. Onya challenge bia wa brabum oni any experience by the virtue of Adea Akye where political representation.
That's right.
And munua mu bebre ba ma wo makwanya abetena so akasa yema yesi yan associate so much with those lines no ye ba ye dia koto periphery to obetena ho no ma ye si ye di CI akoto ho onim ehu nim die bia no akasa ne party akasa o ye magana card ye se ya munteki stand say obetena ho a obekasa into to ho a yes, woman she John Mahama. I said this Saturday, kase incompetent. Woman she Nanadwa, kase reckless borrowing. How reckless is the borrowing? Who put you into tax? On timing for any empirical evidence. And support in the statement, you know. So, Emra so say leadership. Ye shall see a cheniyama bebre ewo school mu na ye change your focus. Anya sa in the next 50 years, ye see ya kra na nchirima eba no ombaba betu yefunu. Adea Akye Sakawa.
Aye.
Omanhene.
Yes, Baba.
Papa, as I say, a man in Mizu. Just say, we are seven.
Oh, that's right.
We are seven.
That's
Now,
right. Say, my catchem say hi. In your Ubia ne Bahasa.
Messi will be best. You say, was you busy when the car no conanka de be a Thursday. One when you can say, putting wrong people in leadership.
Oh, yes.
Africa, Ghana, ni Africa. Yeah, how can you get it?
But how do you determine, say, this person is wrong? Because, Papa, I partisan politics, even from day one, I to abewiye. Ada to abewiye. Dabe, and danwa omampeni da de kwa probo. A whole regional chairman. Bruno, I think Bruno have an abono. Or say, Mr. President, yeah, your president, you know, you need president be our Ghana account. Tell me, if this man or can't be say ya, be the one man, a young puntio cry, a bebuan in mine cry, a war, be pesa and cosso. MPP opposition. Because omono omunye ni president ntino omutumi nkase ye president ne Akufo-Addo. But enam so mampani that the president denti. You go within NDC for bebre mu kra na omunhunu Akufo-Addo so na mampani. Enti ense sey bia beboa community no oye NDC ni onfa no ho hyem. MPP wo opposition. Omo kasa no omo mpa ebo nyina ne se your mama mfeli. Enti bibi kakra bi touch ma. They blow it out of proportion. Sana diaba. It's in there from day one, from 2017, January 7, and almost started campaign. A choir Akufo-Addo be lusu or bebre. It's in there no. The air cost is here. You don't tell me some opposition. I am a percent as I am back. And also near my ye. Na near my ye. I did. I'm the best. I'm a Sabrika. But German. I'm sorry. I'm my better. Ti awasa me ka bibia ti say no kai wo ye MPP ni a wo transi akasa jo mama is incompetent wo transi a wo say Akufo-Addo abobosia wa say o man ti entu no it is why bibi kra na no see no evil say no evil the proverbial monkey
Ebetumi asesa ebeje mre but ebetumi asesa ebi ni say wa hyehyɛ dwumadi a dwuma so say Thursday bia opese wode wapamfo ba na yede adwen keka adwen ho de hu ne a esese yeye oman no ensei nru akiri pisa se yentimi put in right ensei nru akiri sa na etobi bia ne ya na ha adwen ne se wo mo anim de esese nkomutimi hunu bibi na eniema bi ho a ye bie so ne esese yeye a ye betimi asan wo haw na fura no na safo no tumi kato bam so Ghana enyeye ebasa emane ya den trouble bi a me kai kane na me cha bisa manfo bi no ma o mo cha invite me wanu guso a wo kasa na nipa no a wo ne no ya discussion na ma wo nya impression say it is not possible
abambu aba
how can it possible the question is not possible there then why do we talk possible. And nothing na me say you hear radical leaders. That's why I'm supporting radicalism. Say you hear radical leaders by but turning them around. saa nneɛma wei no a two major parties no wɔn political system ni so much sɛ enipa de party dɔ edi wɔn anim na wɔn nɔ Ghana no ɛbɛ ha yɛn papa yɛtu wei wɔka asam no ana tia NPP a wɔyɛ NDC ni etia NDC a wɔyɛ NPP ni wɔn de yɛ saa de yɛde kɔ no saa
na ɔma campaign fo bebree ano atum
ebre na wie du si ete ase se oman ma no ye dɔs ten NDC and ye dɔs ten MPP hwɛ oman na bato abakwasi mu party mieni ho no nko atimi awe ne pen ara ne yeso so nso sa enti na media me si baabi aduro ne be ye kura we should campaign for a third party to come up and challenge them. And this I want to wonder too much.
I know the idea there we.
Na near mess sa na ye nyana say ye de shebre no na sa na ti papa can Dubai abakwasem ko Britain so ko Britain abakwasem edu baby na Britain niam ye fam wo so fam bi da but it took one person okay leadership me de pa on say baby chira ne bia on say you politicians in don't say they just seek power just for show up. But one way you really they understand the essence of power and they use power to transform lives. That's what we need. And
okay.
Because what that sorry now your mind said that ho prepare. Na nie make kabungo ya. Fatia na me koma.
All right. So I just quick one here go ke jetia.
Oh, chia.
Oh, gasai. Na ye gasai ane.
Na twi bieri no mai.
E komo na ne na say ya wada de ye said anye. Eyi say ya said that say ye yi.
How do you elect a leader? The politician will come to you and only solicit for your power, will vote. So the little leadership in him, no, and now the babe that waje upaje vote to the free.
Or the acquire the ope.
But they are born leaders. And how do you identify them? How do they come out? In our current system, yenti democracy na first and foremost, alien to our culture. Alien to anything Ghanaian democracy. It's been forced on us. Obroni or the independent ba MIA no, a queen or the Maya. See, I mean, no, say British investment ben Ghana.
Sompa 93.1.
There's not a single British
BP Munyina Africa.
Adea Bay, Kingsway, UAC,
Vodafone about.
Oh, to vote in South Africa. Adea Bay. Bibia womude ba ye e wo Ghana nyina ya fakwa ni asaso hwese womude ye so castle ye di slaves ene efa ho eno an ye tenemu akopum se Indiafo hu ye
be hu ye mobo mai na no kwa de si e wante ho sem
udi tie ne go on be si eno de mai Indiafo be hu ye mobo ne ye ni ye Ghana fo no a wo stress ye wo gold ye wo we are they in commercial quantities ebetimi aboa yen look at oil a okay ye tu say ye use say
you 10%.
Yeah, just I mean, let's talk. Dear Ben, ye ni abre ho say ye ne ye lectures be what went wrong. Anytime be a buy be a beguno, but nothing came about what is going wrong. We're gonna have.
You were interested in what went wrong.
Not your interest leaders and I say self-imposed leaders are mobile, no. Woman pe criticism public. O criticize no pe o ho akere wo. Enti de bia no ye tu omo a what went wrong and achieve unkan yin bebre but what is going wrong no a part of Ghana's vocabulary.
Okay,
that is what is actually happening. Look at an MP any time bia ma'am just a minute processes are fast ko loan Ministry of Finance and whatever government na air ko loan no or the nyina ko Ministry of Finance na Ministry of Finance aye schedule say ko teku ha 10 years na betua ye bia ye betua teku e kwan we ni be fa so atua or the parliament ho e mo mu debate agitum how many times I want to say opposition for current opposition about say we yempene loan we de yempene mo mo nye da yempene mo mo nye wo mo ko gi wi a wo mo bom ayi chido mo makoji awie no wo huri akogina ha wo mo bobo se atwa ho ahia debt
to GDP. They have defaulted in our payment.
So now is that part?
Meanwhile, more also I'm going to.
When I'm going to, is that part of our democracy?
Schedule for projects.
Yes, I mean, say when somebody is an ordinary politician or MPBAD or DCBAD or individual groups who it means soliciting for their power. Now, omunya power no. A dear nature say on bit my leaders. And how do we within Ghana identify and support our leaders? And no search, you know.
Well, I think I say one day for this.
Me bo and no search, you know.
No, sir,
you look at KJT, but
politician leadership.
He's brought an angle. I think our listeners and viewers, your problem are there be a come once. So, I mean, we are share how we can do it.
Obi ba no person oyi leader e kwan obefa so asalenti obia akepu obia no kwa ye one man any fa so. Look at when we are talking about leaders Ghana ha, you can never say Kwame Nkrumah leader.
Oh, of course.
Good. Na e den obi tumbe ye leader. Hwe ne track record
entity
hwe detention, hwe killings, hwe niema wo de ba silence obia ye one party say yon pania ni niema we are all crippled ye pese kasa. Do you want me to believe you say or a leader when you go through all this?
Oh, excess is known to me writing off Sonia leader.
I mean
he's asking a question.
Yeah.
Rollins, you can't say Rollins is not a leader.
It's not a leader.
Right.
But Niema baby Emma afedu maybe no. Na kandi no. And shiny
educating the public. Say entity on my mother.
Me say another matter. Say yen understanding of democracy no.
So for you no yentiase.
Never the atiase.
Oh, it will take time. Yeah.
I'm making.
And so quick 60 years. UK dia okay. It take say France kwada be no mo ye democrat. 50 something yada on be from generations. And u fiti preko eposia. Moja na eba. Na Akufo-Addo statement say Ghana would add 8.
African.
Enye new in our economic history. Enye new self-reliance. Meba self-reliance. If you come in Kwame bisi a champion, a bisi a domestication ni nyina no eye.
It's only say was said no.
Said no.
As I'm grown.
Aha. What you say? And when somebody wants to make mockery of data, and that's what we can say, or cause self-reliance or bobosia. Now unprepared no. So obi ba be self-reliance person ye kono ye yenko bo obi ayi no ye be bu factories bibia ye kra wa bruchiri bia be bi wa e be 350 something ayi Sambilton wood institutions ya eba be gu ni nyina me ye ton ni nyina na are we prepared to be self-reliant?
Diversification.
And therefore
all right.
Go
Dako, as I said, this leadership issue.
Yes,
we'll have time to deal with it. We'll have time to deal with it.
Look at
Manusi, man.
Manusi. Obi so obeso mu bi to say champion, and I will get up for him.
Yeah. I will also rise up for champion.
It's true.
Yes,
a champion is a game changer in Ghana.
And you know, okay, say violence, you know.
Yeah.
I don't think say a champion or no ye kukro when kumni.
A champion, a bloodless coup.
There be way can take kuno wa fero na so for bompa yama. Na Ghana yina. Tie wo see moda yini.
Yeah, champion.
Me me be feel say tembiano ye past no. A guide to the future. And today be answer mo ye pena matwe asem na kwachiri. Dem de kofiri ho aba. If he had been given the chance. Now here any more or the buy.
Now what a housing. A housing. Kwada so estate. Patase.
Yes.
And kind.
Is that show?
Now first stadium we wa hanomo. Medina. Dansoman.
Countless. Me say even
Kwame Akweje.
Me bo improving the quality of the Ghanaian businessmen. Krano, Swodro contractors. Ono ye asphalt first. Akran Sawom. Indigenous Ghanaian.
Yeah.
wɔde car baayɛ yɛnyɛ wei boafo wei yɛ adɔm assembling plants wɔse broni wodo car bɛba ha no ama assemble wɔ ha yɛma ne ma ha biom Toyota yɛ nia bɛni ne bi ni ha Nissan meba wona wo kan sɛ
wona mana no si
no jama oh media me say come asem na wo adwena
mete
my opinion na me express a che say physically wo show bibia
a champion there
nanso Dubai ni no or your hini o or to so forever your friend is Malaysia o di be 30 something we 7 years pe o hwe ne performance or buy oko only one international conference wo lo mi presidential jet or the coin ye enum ja no oko e no so obeji 2 hours ho wo mo ka say 2 hours pe no dey strong no be obetina the plane no buy when tu kwan no discuss ko to baby
wana kana sim
a champion 7 years so tu kwan ba ko pe
owu ya question ya assess na assess
no can say there's difference between a politician and a leader.
I'm agreeing. Madrid say, how do we identify our leaders? So,
it's very obvious. Very obvious. It's not difficult to know.
It's okay, gentlemen. Let's move on. Now, you share the incident at KJTR. How do we deal with the issue? Because KJTR also has been make us say, aye, ga Kumasi ye fruma. A jedie ye maame no ye papa no ne ade. The local economy swami anyhow. Et bibi touch ma immediately and disorganize the money flow. Any niema was a koso KJTR. Te say that Mr. Boakye kai. Ayishi I say tap in time for ne car bad for hona or mama na share. Ya ye new one so tap in time ne car bad for asa akoshi ho. Because Sabia no Moses na in the initial plan of KJT and count by a sin nipane dosunti extension and omokoye eko wi ase ne baby aya koduro no omo who finding out individuals no insurance for themselves. The whole edifice is insured. Oma insure abosumi bia no omo only to 51,500 yet two obia for the shop no o masie no
but nipa no
ono ane west ni go ono de ne shop no de ono anya insurance ama no but o ma insure a building no. But my question is, if I pay for insurance for the building and I me shop for her adentina me niema egu ono KJTR Kumasi City Market Limited no almost to me enye bibi o because ya jimi sika Bosumi Bia say, Yadikotia premium, which is 51,500 a month. Okabomwa, we are looking at 6.1, almost 6.1 billion as premium for KJTR. Timi Bohana Bibi Shia. Now, catch them say, why you sure? A dino kwana, Miniama was a dynamon kawa. It beats my understanding.
You, me pacho. Sir, you discussed your previous station. Insurance companies in Ghana, they refused to insure old market and traders because omu say and confirm be umwa. Woman called the bank for car, okay, eka no much that edi jatum. And no, and Abama insurance companies will be any prepared to sell.
So obey insure
on individual basis, but
Ogoje bank sikana ho kire ya ba no ase da twaja atom
okay and cry ni ha nyina ma omo ko fa America fo bi kwa so omo me investigate makola market ben
okay Obani Ibrahim
ne momu edan no de omo insure dan no against fire
eventualities
enia me wo mu no
and the why individual na also
na do ni ma gugum na ni mo value and I know insurance company be call
okay
Omanhene ne atia ne say oman bia wo emu nipa ne se ne wonsu no mbanche enti se wo ye mra ana wo ye policy yes o consider on attitude na e go into a policy. But African, unfortunately, yenyenisa. On say project be near PCA ya yehwe no politically. Any fasodia 10% bia e kwakwa party for tuom. Any me yonku bia metima ya mo no na nya project on sa ne mane ne adwendwene ho. See, yes, sir, such problem will always happen at Woncha. Any pursuit, send American, Abrochile Kura America, Kurano, Obi to me insurance, the no Kotoka, Quem Mono. Any pursuit, oh baby, a bon somewhere, bon some baby, and then Yame or baby, and non necessitating your competent people are. They know how to manage country. Na emre kono ye hwa bakwasam nia esini ni pesuni ni omoya ni yesisem enti yesisem ko yanim no na ohaw no na ebrasi wakwa ye project kama si ye den na project and extension bishim initially no it wasn't part of the plan e be shemu ye den se BBC a he na firefighters ebefa ya nyinu we nyina ho dia tena ho modasani bi atimi asesankrata ti se brofu bi organ rezoning ye dia asase to say ye be police station ye be park ye be we wo ha so ye fufuro bi aba rezoning
se onu so benya kakra die
e die pa na ha yen enti sa ne mei na sese ye koye nimu no ye hwe ho asem ka na wonu matumi kura wonu ehwe se yentimi nkoso masa ne ben sisi sa ma da bi o ma no nkwa ho kire musa because we are Ghana na bo Ghana ka am kran so abobo ka bank nsu bi nso be kire no e de ha no bebre ye nyina enti yempe kwa bi so a ye betuma sesam wo ya dansie ene hyehye ya idi sidanka wenke bae eno an se ka ho as a package sa wo fi se o pese wen sure ye wankasa any wadwadie any obibia plus we say wo be say one show we ne ya hihye ni na dawo wo betim kwa compel ni pan say until you do a comprehensive ye mfa shop no ma ye nye ne sa esa BBC a na insurance ni so ndi no kore insurance ifa ni omo kenke bebre omo nye no kwafo bebre wo munye no kwafo efri se so wo hwe Ghana insurance pankanka ne card yi a wo muji mbajo yesi road wealth eno na sense
je se o car no fatase fa kwan so
enti eno ho akeke ne de jo tax
danka
me na mfi se bia kwan no de maintain
Dabio se the policy no utie road worthy na enye se kwan na wo de car le fa so wo car no ewo se de be ya enko ha car fufura ne car fufuro na nam kwa so no
ni aje hu
wo car no fata se nam so ejus na ubetime ho car bia ho
be ba o aye to say we are kwania investment o se ofa kwan bi so a wo de beteka no ene ya ma ne din kwa road worthy first year for the quarter.
That's my understanding.
Anti e kwan no a wo nam so se be ye worthy for you to use.
Okay. Very good. But at the end of the day,
one more down no say you de be say o car no.
So the actual roadworthy is for the for a kwan no. And your car.
Say you won't say kwan no.
No Omanhene.
Now be that say kwan.
Say o kwan o car no.
O man for say kwan
ya kama. O brakes no nyama nyina ya kama. Ni bia say on fe nkobɔ ka mu.
Enti your car should be in good shape.
Good shape.
At the same time enko ha. Obi a won ne nam.
Wo de me ba ayese ne S Gracia ye kan. Ye wona wo mu. Ha e dimpe ne de ama no. E bi ye lump sum payment. E bi ye end of service benefit. E bi ye we.
Severance one.
E bi ye social security.
Okay.
Because social security bi aban bia fa wa 12.5% of your pay every month.
Also take to amount.
Obetimi afre no S Gracia.
Okay.
Obetimi afre social security.
Okay. Mama go channel nwie. Mama go channel nwie na membra ho.
Eto bibi a wo transna hwese ne a ya mamuo no esi kro no a kwan bi so no aban gigi sika hunu bi a wo munkunta. Me to me no sika ye gine ka dodo a eba se road worth no ensesen ka ye bobu send ye road. Si ye di no kure paso o maya ye ni no kure si kan nye ska ketwa o so ko license cap and na from sa na den see 1 year hwe so obi nam ho fanse Mr. Boakye nam ho o pa no ye no fi insurance ade na card de abeye compulsory ni nya japade we have to look into things and niam bindi de ye wo mani mu. But nam say yantua bo ase ne atima hwe ne ne bubugu so ngwanran sa de ko susu se entimi nya yie entiabasa ebinum a wo mo apre akocha man yosemu no they benefit from those things.
Nta ho no mutimi lutu
e dia ho kire bre oman no oman ma. Wow, Adentina was a basse DVLA, 1 man Catanano, 1 more quina, Atitia Pansam. No, Jenny Roadworthy, as I say, it doesn't make sense. Ebony road to Adea Bay.
Road to Bia Hase.
A year me 1 papa sa.
I saw say Hono Cars in Ijina. Casa can say drew a honeyjina.
Yes.
It's the impact at that place. It's there was a honor
building.
Oh, yeah. They should also on this cement part to say motorway and a yes up because Kana Kono Ojina. The impact is heavy.
That's right.
A load to Niema Ojina and San Ojano 20. The impact at that place no was through.
Oh, and the miracle. As a CAT system, a flexible say. Wo person of fakwan we so already no watwa wayi dada ense say nipa da sani na te ho a wo delay wo time na ma on nipa timi a contem na che sika no so ba more
enra say somebody suggested say adena ye untia say ka bia for a day no
ai
ye twa road worthy
3 Ghana
5 Ghana cedis.
Enke no ano.
Eti o koba about 20 times cry.
No ano no.
Yeah. But where there urema 1 cedi. Oba 1 cedi. Urema 1 cedi. Oba 1 cedi.
Who said delay?
Obi suggest say aday nanka a day trotro driver 10 cedis. I don't know how it's going to work. Eti na obia we ukọ atese aboa so say omo koba say ye child 10 cities. Eti anopa udra child 10 cities to do another show. Now the call.
I don't
know how that will help.
Pacho me bo.
Airport
21st century pan will make over 60 years. Near that's near Makolo sa. And you're fine. And yes, sir. And many pan will give cash.
Although I just how the
Papa de buy a budget a 120 boas say o year free more. Or the control.
Oh, on the side of yes, so mem have seen road minister.
Me support no.
Say
by law it was wrong.
It was wrong.
Me say me o reasons. Me the two jana pa.
Manu si ma me na me tie o kaka na. Pacho manu si yemre no.
Yo medicine no. Na ne me pese me kan nyina ne say. Se wotna se ye nhihye pa e mo man ma ho hare wo mu. No mu se mpuntuo ba. Nye ona be ka se yentua tax.
That's it. Ba me ko re bo ha no. Yes sir.
Master me very brief e we ho. Me ka se oman no SSC ma systems e ye adwuma.
Solid one.
Na ya ma systems anya adwuma na ye bibia ye bia na ye no on ad hoc basis.
Knee jerk.
Ye bu oman na be si ne na ahokyera ye go tru ye beto aso. Se wo hwe ekwa eja fa so hye oman nu ma aye trend. Wo hwe last year e kodru July na eja 3776 ana hye oman mu ha according to Ghana Fire Service. The estimate was over 30 billion.
Jesus Christ.
And I say, this information are all over online. But what do we see? You see, the average thinking of Ghana for home. So we jaya the pema is ye bibia na bibia ye bia na ye
no basa.
Remember am fato home. Ghana ni bia wo bank akwaje bosian. Enye na dwen so obetu ada.
That's right.
Ghana ni bia wo bank akwaje bosian. Onye na dwen so obetua. Opa ene yema bank shincha sese wo mo mabosian. Omunyi collateral, omunyi bibia. Ye behwe ni pe betu eska no okruma. Enti gese wo den hye etoso ene ne bia ebe compile nipa no.
That's right.
Enti ni nyina no my belief is that say leadership me force ni emani bia o man ne bebre mako UK several times me kai say one of them na me ni me sister ye come Manchester wo mu city center na ye for Piccadilly ye kwa 1 kilometers to the main city center was kwasi ye mpake ye kawa me says na ha ye be na ntabre was no say wo the car ni wura kuro no ma the closer you get to the center the higher the rate me who the way I me see aka no
just say o ben kuro no
yes
to na or no
ne board enti so obi free tamaleba enka wo beduru macro junction ha wo de asi ho
of train
because so for so do car na be wuram na kwa akora kajetia to a wo betua no
because they want to ease traffic.
That's right. And na time producer ede topic ne kire me I went to the other European countries any US and we share toll taxi omutua ewo baby bia na getting closer to the city centers na nebo
yes, can't we do it?
We can do it.
You see,
we can.
But what am I there? I saw Cassiana na Mr. Boakye no.
You see, Omanhene.
Oh, some no can know. Some say, who can we know? It's so fantastic. So it's so fantastic. But oh, not the end animal. What the Kumasi? Ya ho check kese pa akwa na say wo de opa tuye say ya ntoma
minister kra na obenya kro bi bedu nuase asa wo hadwe no minister
but by the end of the days any part do send the benefit free sa niema no the communicators the political communicators empempi omuntimi nka omunsem ye ye na ye wa abonten no ye do so sene the few people who are benefiting she satellite market ya bi enukuma wo fa akire ha ya adoato market obia ni ho ubekom no the same crofo a wa adum yi ana akwaje nuom de ho abaye warehouse there are several people masem ne say
oh kwala so dwena se
yes
na o masi no
achamfo
pani bi eba me ha me refi kra o sisi o ma bi atom to obia opese obeje market no omra omakokota makota momo order say after that years na nipa na me use no they can go ahead and deal with it. Yes, akota momo order stores no go ezo sankrofo no na wo kejetia wo you know waji bi ato ho or the aye warehouse
omo bi mewuram bi because they want to have certain control over where
sure
masama me can say
abaja 7 nyina no
UK for ewo very good mindset bia so they wo hwebo aho teams in kitwa na wo UK no Charlton Brighton Harvest Everton obi bia ni locality anema wo hon we contend with it
nanka
me that's why say me bank manager oba so am me fie boys no mataya no hwan da bia machinica obe hia am na paint atare na o me I like Swami Kumasi to the standard. Me develop say me a local content person.
That's right.
The America che ye tiefo ni ahwefo ne say. Say ya maya dwene mu no na wo kononom no anya wadwene say wo be ye kononom ama na yeye na emom wo be fo car e de aba kajetia. By the time I be di 65 na wo be ye mobono. Untimi nya den e ma ho biem.
All of kononom so asay.
Na kononom so asay. Yen change your mindset.
That's right.
Yan sesan adwene ne etoa so say ye nyina ye nyitwi enkohye kajetia we will continue to suffer the fate na ye hye no Omanhene unim say last year October 4th kajetia ya in central market was she me call online na me go I was shocked within 6 months I see two
it's serious
ko at suofo market ye ho demand ye ho eyes ne kajetia ba de achia hwe number of cars me issue is this we a leader na so ordinary political power ho a obesofa.
That's right.
And enkroma eye bi ba niema power oyeye no wawu ko nso Ghana for eda so boni din champion din ya go extended version ama mahu who a champion was
too much
oni ho ba ne niema power ye
if
you a politician forget about owning power. Say even yama one day na wutimi make positive impact e woni pa brabo mu a unni ho na se wo kwa ye be kai wo ni aka se enipa asomasi ane be ye wi but wutu ni nyina aguma obekon ye nyina nsem bi amfa nkai.
Today we mention national health insurance 1 minute for 1 minute o time na so ma ba won che
you am tell yo na me say me explain roads minister ade ne ba ye no o kan be bia ayin bia won na hotutu nti won de ma contract ne cost $130 million nationwide. Say omo enye ho o konkran kwanso ho nyina ya omo ko hwe na fund no contribution a odi aba ne 75 million
entimintua
fa no to nchen e ho ana ye omo ye budget yi levi na anye yi toto petrol na drivers nyina sorry say ama running transport ne boy din into ombe then wo mention ayi road ayi a wonu mutua taxi for ni we nyina atua no so na de akura mutua yi ase kwan no enye bibia nti yen suspend na mo so mo yi impending transport increases no mo so mo nteso na law no wo ho but my ministry is to implement the who say implementation problems wo baby kura by say afide ko fa mum fo nkwan ne ebubu fo nkwan na betena ho ni nyom degree botum ti ye bepe new system ne de aba abaye no later and that material time no there it was done said man drivers no agitation for increasing
I don't want to sound argumentative but whatever the motivation was the minister was wrong.
Yeah, he was wrong.
You see, in 1956, and he wrote to LI.
He was wrong.
1973, you be repealed. 99.
Man, the immediate overnight.
Yeah. Upon the approval of the parliament.
And he didn't do it.
So, the Minister of Finance in October.
He took a decision that overnight without approval of parliament. It was wrong.
Passage of the a budget statement by the parliament.
Right.
And Sana, you better suspend the road too. He made an explicit, I think it was.
And the appropriation bill and everything was not passed.
Technically, economically, what bear explain say, a quine one, omo road to no, omo, baby, omo install no, as no, omo koyen 130 million. And confonsu sikas omo the abansu 75.
The explanation,
economically, no,
the explanation, it was right. But Mr. Boakye, if we say, I can explain technically and economically on anything there, then we don't have to have a parliament. It was wrong.
But when it's a parliament, we may go through that. You know, ordinary.
As everything now, we say, one more you foul, almost say. Woman cautious adieno. Ghana for who woman mobo say omo ye mobrofo. Woman e kun o man no.
Yes. Na omo kun o man no ye omo we. Ya ja omo. Aden ye ja omo.
Dem na
ekwa be so.
Ekwa na be ti ache no.
Womo dwane.
Omo ti habat watwa hwe ade ne say watwa ayi ni bi.
Ono akọ printing.
Wa printing ne de e na ban so de wo ho. Otwa aban de baako ne de baako.
Driver no tia man no atwa.
Driver so se bebre ye je ya ye mfa ko.
We say with all security agencies, yet to investigate you and chi obi with evidence. Say oni no say no ye tia o man.
Pesa wajima mi tia o na fe.
Yo.
Me on Kejetia and go. Na o se bia homa ne tumu ntam.
Kejetia asma abedi say ya ka ho asema yi. Because
ya
catch us say Debbie ya catch us say combustible materials wuntimi nko enfemfra we no enko the same place.
That's right.
Uko Nigeria, uko Dubai, uko China. Aha eye plastics. Aha eye we aha eye we say ni natete ne kwa ye mpanifo kra anim nyansa no ne wo adwosuo ene mo de afra ama old market ya hia aha nso baaya
is the same thing.
The ma ha de no kra no ye annoying ne say originally no kra ye mfa no ama o eche no mo si nipa ye pestos no doso enti wo mo koye extension na sa extension ho no ene wo mo koje sankofo ibae aha enti original plan no de nanka sa ne ma no kra ne ye nton ho.
I see.
Ena e ho no so de omo ya de materials column no store be start with M. We started provision started with P. We started with we, but enkofo ye beton provision. Or buy your better ho no.
No friend general goods.
Or materials. And the cofa we no
ba. Ubetimi atu no. Because when you dem ran
asho
say ye toa so te say de team dada na me ye we ya ye nto mame a o man ye bebre ye bro
mo ba mi sa waje mana no si
e jamara ntan so atia mo
ye jere so
ye tuma de say ne eno na wo Ghana ha
ye tuma
ubi wa no pa ye ntoma na akofo we ya ba nti o ma transfer problems na ba ha na me fee say anka ye banking ne ye insurance companies nso betumi afa innovative ways bi I insure sad na nam say eja hyehye no be ba ye no omu suru say enkofo omu be insure omu ne ma no na omu he because omu nya proof bebre say maami we otro no store okofie ene ja to store no nti wo chima afo no say enya kwan ko bi na hye e de bo say o medundum bi bia meanwhile edwa no wo ho no ebinim no aduane wo ho ebinim de machines eye adwuma ebinim bi here use electricity ni ade nyina nti no another matter altogether menyi ni say abrochire mo no yehu no se ne ha e de etie eja betumi ato ho ade ne yenkwa de ekoye market ya ye ma nkofo de enema nyina ba ho nkofo yi ne
bi kakra eja boaje boa ye bebre se unu se ni fi na konanim ya no boa ba kwasam ne memuda ho yi ne mo magye di se o kana ba kwasam ne chirichiri mu na ewia o ma ye the way forward because mpanyi se ne komje ya no me eye den ya o man esese so
that was obi send a message
esese solve problems
obi message ne say o say oh he said just as so for Kayana atwema agency so or say he wants to know from Mr. Boakye the solution to the issues he's telling us. So, the way forward.
The way forward.
I will get there. I will get it for you.
Yeah.
Obi Sunday, Mrs.
Because
was it by test or?
Ye laws regulations say what Ghana ha ya nye bi anka ho ne implement ya the solutions will come.
Then we have to work on it.
Yes, I saw okay, right.
Yes,
Ghana constitution down.
New law.
We don't need new ones. So
anything.
Say say the adjunct to but the implementation.
Yes, if you are able to implement.
Now the political lens.
I love to
me actually say whatever. And your political lens in ye bribery ni corruption the woman no. Every moa. Na every local council regulations where untimi mfa prior crime pragotem without the consent of the district of the local authority Ghana.
Yes,
of course.
Na obiama say ni kwanse di kiosk isi na say abi assemblyman ya oka political lent assemblyman say assembly ko non political assemblyman no cheche space ya yede
ma cheche gu osa ko assemblyman wa
na yede ya jump akọ politician no so ensi nye ono a
na me say more politicians mpacho mi bo say institutions na o aye flooded with corruption so obi kura hunu bibi no o kan mo na mo defend the corrupt institutions entin yede so bobo mo no enti to bi amom ye kwan officer man say obi o land me friend no ana me chere investigations are privately me amaye efa what is going on e discrediting another government bibie ma no a wo so wontie me wo condemn me right woman in tia rough na mo ya sa bere nye so bobo
na wo betra na be support to Kennedy openly
o Kennedy di papa
na say o ko so jesi be reach obi odo papa
no Kennedy no vote
who take his side
all right we need job sia there is a job vacancy for sales and marketing. Mr. Muntiemi ye obi a wonim sales and now a marketing officer why you be or experience Kumasi wa Asante Mantem haya media company be say me ope obi a oye sales or marketing officer na qualification no a minimum HND and you should at least have 2 years experience. Afei we will be a Juma or media house of pain because it's a media company. Bakra. Now, also to me a very good communication skill. We will be able to negotiate your outfits, your appearance, and everything is good. Or you have a creative, or you are a critical thinker. Strong social media marketing experience. Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, and TikTok. Just all you'll be you are modern, to put it. Fred 024-994-2842. If you're interested, 024-994-2842. Send your email your application and CV to the manager. kobij@gmail.com. Now Kobij no QUOBIJAY. Kobij QUOBIJAY@gmail.com. Or better still, call WhatsApp on 024-994-2842. Yaxin Group, yeah, the Yaxin Herbal Mr. Abeja so Eboa Emma malaria and menstrual disorders. Ubu Sane China Koya. Yaxin ointment, Utri Hopa. Yeah, the first one, Trinity Kama Fukama. Natural capsules, no so my Bema CPC. All sexual weakness away. Frey 0244-723-541. 0244-723-541. na bibia nkoso abamole ewon kan na Ashton Kumasi aperitivo non-alcoholic bitter no de ane se wanya bia abobo na wosene unya numa eye onipadua mu kama emma appetite balance. It is made of herb spices and then fruit all the way from Italy. Open doso potua Puswahoma ewo Sompa first floor here 0246 270221 0246 270221. Power Specialist Hospital Akosia Dua Yase Bray. Hepatitis B, the best hospital in Ghana. Yaje arthritis, gonorrhea, syphilis, ukase bu, wanya ulcer, wanya hernia, fat liver, kidney hawa, obaye de bibi drobe shewo. Kumasi fe yase bosom chekwaso. Yane Jasbro Felling Station din hwe ni Musanso na Takrade, Anaji Estate, Anaji MA Primary School ni din hwe ni Monen Crime. Kwabenya pokwasi ACP Main Road. Yade Hebatin Heba Mr. Ba immune booster. Jiri kajiri bema jina so manu boy juma me boy and semano. Edwaya Heba Malamix, malaria fever, general bodily pains, and a cough care. So if you bo air cost nyina yade bia o hebeko. Edwaya tonic so TBD maunya appetite. 0244 544 422 0244 544 422 0200 383831 0200 383831 and a 0555 797878 Sankofa spices oko jaswa no ana also obusa ya de pepper hwentia esuru se form with ya ginger garlic ketenkete rosemary nom and ya de 10 varieties citrinim and chinim preservatives be anim edini e Sankofa spices okonfo no chinie eyebu afo evia befie fa invitation card no a de kose aye no abusuan sign achoro krata wo Ghana card wo death certificate proof of death chese ampa dia agency so wawu and a mortuary receipt no fakwaje bosia ebe ka bosome ama ye na buy the bema flexible interest rate opese be you see kanu anu furniture Confanochi Bank PLC private bia na ye moa koko na adokro wa wo bre utwa ho atwa untwa unyi ho atwa ye asem ni nyina ne say ye the 3A Herbal Center Coco Master Aba 3A Co capsules eyi waste pains free ho eyi ayam team na sa shikoko na se eye 3-in-1 3A Co capsules open do support to akolina Gani Heba Mr. Heba Pidang ubetumi anya biato fre 0546 107 107 0546 107 107 one more so masene ama edi jumedi ebrel mo London no hot digital radio Valentine the number na to Ghana hands so betima free 0551 931 931 0551 931 931 and 0548 931 931. The WhatsApp video call. The number. Okay, to Uber to my WhatsApp video call 0551 931 931. We are WhatsApp video call. I ever found TV no so near who and him. Timmy, WhatsApp video call. Oh, Fre, oh, Abrochile, oh, Ghana ha. Be able to my friend 0551 931 931. A WhatsApp video ya be foul. Make kwa homano so obi on London. Hello, good morning. Hello. Pacho Wendy. Hello. Hello, my foul Wendy. Let's go to Ghana here. Good morning.
Morning.
Wendy.
Pacho wede. Ayo.
Beba cho me te kankasa.
I'm Pacho. But the longest name you. I am some contributor.
No is kasa.
Nyako pon shamo pa. Manager one. Nyako pon shamo pa. Debi ameka se Sompa de. Kama man ka dia ye. Chempanyimfo atitiriwa. Wodo mabasi yo. Hwen sama omoka. Ahode enwom. Enu tumi enwom. Nyankopon sha Sompa tiefo ni mo tiefo nyina. Amen.
That's it. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Pacho Wendy.
Me Pacho me fefi boku.
Kasa. Oh, Pacho Kasau. Okay. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Morning.
Yeah, morning, Omanhene.
Meet you, Kasa.
Offer me, Kosiguma, make a free and crying in the mountain.
What's it, Kasa?
Yo, Madam Masti, I don't know to Mamma. No question me, Ghana, study at the Jafono, Kasa, no, it teach you any apostle. Say, yeah, leader, or people Kennedy, Japan, and you're quite a dinner now of penny Abuade Ekano. Ya tiabra hubia but the say no ya nya Gideon bia e say Omanhene humu nipa e woni mu na ye de ne ba se ne be ya onyame be to ne so na amasepaye akini aba e bi se papa no we prove say oye no kwafo.
Thank you. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Pacho Wendy.
Good morning. I am Francis.
Hey, Francis from London. My intel.
Oh, Mitiemu panelist back. Some kind very correct. Oh, say, you Ghana for no. Mrani yampesi busu ntina Ghana ye krono. They be two politicians who know your institution. As they have the teeth to bite, but they don't do it. We have to implement. I see you see Jomo Amankro so Montoya. No mako jina kwa. Then yan chichi wo mun kokot near mom fine. Now you say look, we should implement law. Me free Ashtown, me buy a drum. I then I'm packing me car Ashtown. Who buy a drum I'll park and I do 20 cities an hour. You know, we should put some law that will make Ghanaians the terrorists because we have to build our country. We don't expect the minister and the prime minister or whatever to build a country. And my last issue about what the towing man did, the minister did, it was right. Scare Obi Bottom now and government coffers. He has the right to suspend it. He suspended it, and now he's putting good measures that will bring the money into government coffers. That's what I have to say. Thank you.
Thank you very much for your submission all the way from UK. Hello.
Hello, my good morning.
Pacho, WhatsApp video call no. It is Juma throughout all programs. 0551 931 931. We have WhatsApp video with that number. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Awai.
Pacho, how are you?
Pacho, I say. But yes, I mean, Mr. Anthony Pony speech, and Anthony Pony Tomo on baby, I'm still Yamisha. But yes, I see also, you to know, Mr. for the youth. Yes, so, ma, into a bandit back, not the infrastructure, below engineer. I buy for fun of the money, and I say, I want to ask my and I told you, I buy a bubble wine to the
Hello, good morning, boss.
Pacho, how are you?
Me patrol your friend me call.
Two.
Me patrol me person no din command to come in your personal number.
Paul. Paul, now how do you make that, mama? Hello, good morning. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, Wendy.
If I come got a for rain, sister, do.
Hey, sister, you had to say.
Papa, Yamiadum, you are Kennedy for a chiao, pa.
Me generous.
What is something can't say? Or Baba Jigan and Kwan. On one, Nebekuta, your son can amayan. 2024 there, Yakoma Kennedy. And not pay that was say. Ghana and Churchill or Churchill. And pay this way to my boy. As we didn't mean I may be so Obia, the open, and I had Ghana Kwakodu. Let's Ghana for Tobu to know. He let the Ampa Antu, if the end you Tobu to the Ampa Shamkalano Mukofi education. Now, Omo Jirajin Aquahono. Tobu to the Adia, a better media support to Omakram and Ghana in I want.
Thank you. Hello, last call. Hello.
Hello,
yes, sir. My no pay.
Omanhene money Omanhene. That's my work friends doing. You just I feel you go to work and I'm sorry for the name or some partner mission. Omanhene come out and look at some they say. Omanhene call it's very people say you need to work on your house. And 1% of the Ghana card over. And when the matter went to the bank, a new, and so actually, and then the airport, a new Ghana card, and we 24 airport to mine.
Jane, it's 9:29 here. This is where we draw the curtain on today's program. It is time for full time. Omode Agudi Hunsemo ba Madam Mr. Obriye Boakye, wonderful submission. Mr. Eric Boakye, as usual, in his element. And then Mr. Apostle Paul Kofi Ejekum, no Kennedy, no vote. I was here. What don't do it's not. Yeah, the Friday special, Bebrebo Makramo. Have a wonderful day.
But so, man, you want Kenya. Oh, sir. And not yes, so much. Not just say, Anadri, what do a barber fear? W.